Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of RV Tips and Trips. Today I'm going to do a 3-year review on my Ancheer mountain e-bike here. So a little over 3 years actually. Recently replaced the battery. I got a universal water bottle battery, and I'll put a link to that video in case you missed it. It was easy to do. So, I mean, the batteries do eventually go bad, so not too bad. It was easy, and I saved some money doing it. So now you'll notice I got some rust here and there. This bike, I have to admit it, I have like totally abused this bike. It's been out in all sorts of weather. Got wet there. And pouring rain, snow, everything. Not covered up. We had lost the covers quite some time ago. Winds just tore them up. So it's been out in all the weather extremes, and every once in a while just lubricate the chain, and it's been good. Nothing's gone wrong with it. Now you got to watch some other brands that I've seen people have. They're telling people don't allow the rear hub to get wet, or the controller to get wet, because they'll go bad. And sure enough, they're not kidding. But with this one, not a problem. The only thing I do when I am traveling is I remove the water bottle battery, which lightens it up on the back, number one, and keeps that out of the weather. But that's about it. So like I said, I've used and abused this, and still runs great. This battery I charge up maybe once a week, and it's been working out well. So still moves along pretty good. So you got pedal assist. You got low, mid, high. What it does is it makes you go faster and faster. About 18 miles an hour to 20 miles an hour, right around in there. This is a 21 speed with the Shimano shifters. Shimano. And I mean, very little maintenance on it. Outside of that, like I said, over 3 years, and been in the rain and hanging off the back end of the fifth wheel, and she still takes a licking and keeps on ticking. So look at that. All right. I said the only bad thing is I got rust here. I did lubricate these cylinders here. They're like shock absorbers, so it's got, you know, front end shock. But runs great. Let's take it for a spin. All right. Whew. I got a little speedometer there. Right there, we're going uphill. Does pretty good. Now, I do have to tell you, I am no lightweight. This bike will move along pretty good, and I'm 245 pounds. And we get to go uphill and everything. So. All right, let's bump this up on the assist mode. Here we go. Whoa. There was a little ditch there. Whew. All right. Do this one-handed. Alright, so I'm intentionally going slow because I'm doing this one-handed, and to maintain proper control I don't want to go too terribly fast. But I'm just pedaling along nice and easy, and you can hear the motor. Now there is throttle mode. I just put in throttle. And we're going uphill without pedaling. And I said I'm no lightweight, so. Now the battery is not on full charge either. I charged it about a week ago. I haven't put it back on the charger yet. So. Yeah. We can pedal along too, kind of help up these hills, and does a good job. Now I would have probably a little bit more guts here if I charge this up. So I'm down on the last little bit. So, going up and down, this campground has a lot of hills to go up, and so I've been going up a lot of hills here, and so it's going through the battery a little faster. So on one charge, you should, with pedal assist, you should be able to go about 30 miles. If you're using throttle only, probably about 15. All right, all in all, the bike has done very well for me, and I'm real happy with it. So here we are over 3 years later, going strong, used and abused, and still working great. So I love it. Like I said, you do have to anticipate having to replace the battery eventually, and I'll give you a link on what I did for that, and I'll also provide links for the main review that I did on it when I first got it. So until next time, happy camping, and bye now. Thomas says thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Until next time, happy camping.